Hi, Andy's Vauxhall vids here. Today on this Amiga I'm trying to remove the broken battery clamp bolt here. So I've got a couple of tools that I'm going to try and use. I'm going to try and use this stud extractor. It's quite slim, the bit is sticking out, so I don't know if this will help. Top of that, I'm going to try and use these as well, see if I can get it moving with this. So I'm going to give this a shot first, the stud extractor. So I just want to position it in the right way, as I can go one way or the other. Just go over here, right round. I don't know how far round it will go before it starts tightening onto the bolt head, so I might not get far enough to get it loosened. So I'm going to just try and back it off a bit. Might get around a bit more. I think it's just spinning on that. It's hard to get it on because this bit below it's quite pushed up the way, so it's hard to get the thing to sit flush on the metal there. So next step is I'm going to try some mole grips. Which again is quite hard to clamp because I can't get my hand right around the mole grip itself. Unless I use the space below here. Might need a bigger pair of grips. But I haven't really got space unless I come in here somewhere. And then again I might still not have enough movement to get it. Try that. It doesn't seem to be moving, and I can't really clamp it any tighter, so I think heat might be the next step. So I just need to move these wires out of there a little bit, make sure I'm not going to melt anything. So I'll need to heat in here this side. There's nothing below it, no wires are here, this one, and then just heat this up and hopefully that should move it.